nails. I have nubs on my hands. Like, well, not that one, but like, they're so short. I'm doing my nails tonight. Long story short, the last 2 times I did my nails, I actually never fully removed some of my nails. So I had the craziest buildup of all time that I had to file off. For nail designs, I am thinking, there's a rat coming in here. For nail designs, I'm thinking these vibes because, long story short, I got blooming gel probably 2 months ago. Maybe a month and a half ago, whatever. I buy blooming gel and I click purchase on Amazon. First thing I do, I head over to Pinterest and I'm looking at nail art for blooming gel, whatever. And this is the first one that I saw. I'll put it on the screen and I love it because it has the consistency of the base color, but the top croc blooming gel design color is different on each nail. And then I saw these ones yesterday, which basically, it's not the biggest fan of the design of the colors, but I like the idea of every nail being exactly the same, like not like fun design, but like simple design, but different color every nail. And then I keep forgetting to save them, but I've been liking these ones also, where it's like a light base color and like a darker blooming gel tortoise croc, whatever the heck you call that design on top, but like each nail's their own color. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I got most build up off of this nail. I think I got it off of this nail.
What's in a
Long story short, I've just been too good at doing nails, and my nails have never been fully removed, on my thumbs at least. Guys, here's the fit check of the day. You know, we are just styling up in here. We got Olivia Rodrigo on top, we got Storm. I've been a fan, maybe I should fully use my tripod. I have been a fan of Olivia Rodrigo since day 0, if you will. I will say though, I was a bigger McKenna fan. That's the disc I'm missing. I got Sage, Grace, Kit, Isabel, Molly, Samantha, Felicity, and no McKenna. The McKenna has disappeared fully. I think it's dumb to buy movies on like Amazon. I am so tempted that if I How to Train Your Dragon 3 and McKenna, because what do you mean I can't go and watch them? We're currently making dinner though. Hi world, we're in my car. I haven't, oh my gosh, wait, this is perfect for drive with me's. Aiden, here's a mini drive with me because I haven't had time to film a real one, but we're gonna go to the local Sunoco, sponsor a NASCAR, and we're going to go get ourselves some ice cream because I want that, and my mom, for some reason, if you live in the country, you know Dollar General is the place to go. My mom doesn't want me going there.
Because bad people work there. Gigi.
Bad people work there. I've gone into Dollar General a million times in my life, Gigi. And I've never witnessed a bad person there. The most annoying thing I've witnessed is when people do their shopping trips in a Dollar General.
The only reason we're going to Sunoco is because Gigi wanted me to go.
It's like a terrifying store. If you ask,
because she was scared to go to Sunoco.
If you ask like Lily or Millie, you know, it's a terrifying store. I think I'm actually more likely to like
cute
in that store than any other store. But guys, I got offs on my car, so. Bubba like leans forward while she's sitting, so you never know
because it's so
if she's buckled in. Because she's like
so far back, Gigi.
Then move the seat. But she literally, like, we're in the back seat, whatever. She sits in the middle and she's lunging forward.
Because how else am I supposed to sit?
On the back of the seat.
I'm just a hunchback.
Yeah, you are. Oh, I have to go in this parking lot. Ugh.
Gigi.
No, this parking lot's awful to pull out of because it's like the size of one car. See, I have to like U-turn. Whether you're the nominee. Okay, guys, I'm not bringing my camera in because this store actually might give me a seizure, so I'll be back. Guys, that was a fail beyond the belief. We go in, and I've never bought ice cream here before, but I've had their ice cream many times in my life, whatever. I get in the store, guys. We go in, big sign, pot of gold, fresh farm, whatever the heck the sign says. Ice cream sign, right front in the middle, but not ice cream anywhere to be seen. We're going to Dollar General now because country classics. Okay, guys, I remember why I hate this.
Your finger looks ginormous.
I know. Like, I don't know what happened, but my finger, like, is massive. So you agree?
Yeah.
I was thinking I was crazy.
When?
My Lord. I was listening to Lord when I was like 10 years old, so it's crazy that she's dropping music now.
Did you think the play was funny the other night?
Oh, I love that play. I thought I was gonna hate it.
You thought it was funny?
Oh, that play was good. It was hilarious.
It's not laughing.
Oh, that's Tim
I wasn't
Burton.
even good laughing.
You know Tim Burton, who makes like The Corpse Bride and Coraline and all of those?
Is that supposed to be him?
I'm letting Bobo film, and every single time she's ever filmed for me, I've said I'm never gonna let her do it again, so we're hopefully redeeming her today. I don't know what I like. This is so lacking in options. We're going Kit Kat for me, Oreo for Grandpa and Mom. Okay, we are here, but someone tell me why my Apple Pay was like refusing to let me like choose between credit cards. Also on the way out, I like completely ripped my aux cord out of the car.
That dropped me off.
Oh yes, she has to be dropped off at her friend's house, guys. Here, you know what we should listen to? American Idiot, because
Gigi, no, that's not.
You don't like that good. You don't like that?
I like the front of it, how it's a bottom, but it's a heart, and it's plugged him down.
You like the cover of it, but not the song.
He says, I wish to be American Idiot. What's good about that?
No, he doesn't. He says,
I love rock and roll.
Mom's gonna be like, where are you guys? We're going 1 mile down the road. I wanna be American Idiot.
Gigi, look. Ducks like it has eyebrows, look. Eyebrows.
Have you ever seen the Cars movie? You'd be in shock.
Okay, get driving.
Guys, I've actually become really good at backing up because I just like have. Guys, so let's talk about Green Day for a second. I've been aware of Green Day. I've been very aware of them. I've listened to their songs on occasion. Never like a diehard fan though, but there are some songs like Good Riddance where I'm like, this is top tier music. We had talked about going to a Green Day concert last year when they were coming to Pittsburgh, and they came like twice, or like they had multiple dates in Pittsburgh, and we just never ended up going. And then they performed at Coachella, and here's where I need to say,
what's Coachella?
Coachella is my dream, so if any brands ever in their lives want to take someone with a dream and a passion,
it's her.
I'll vlog the whole thing for you. I will pull a vlogmas on Coachella. I'll do anything.
Gigi, don't forget
to be at Coachella. Guys, she thinks I'm gonna forget to drop her off at her friend's house, but keep in mind her friend is our neighbor, so it's really hard to miss it. And this girl also refuses to walk to her house. She'll have my mom drive her. And like, yes, we live in the country. Yes, we live in the country, and yes, we do have a lot of space, except we have a good amount of space on both sides of our house, but most of our space is behind our house. We can, literally guys, it takes 1 minute at most to walk to this person's house. And Bojena is over here saying, Mom, I need a ride there.
Yes, it's scary when she has people over at Grandpa.
When she's, okay, it's scary to walk there when she's people over, but not to drive there where I have to then pull the car into the driveway.
Yeah.
No, they have no one at their house.
Oh my goodness. Just drive home.
Why?
Drive home, I'm gonna tell Mom. I'm not getting out.
Why aren't you getting out?
I'd rather walk over it.
No, I'm not. Okay, I'm literally going to turn around in our driveway.
I'm gonna open the door before then.
No. But I can't pull in next to Grandpa if you have the door all the way open. Close it. And my jaw dropped. Here's an official haul.
I'm getting the door open.
Oreo.
In case she tries.
Kit Kat, watermelon Sour Patch Kids. We go to a play yesterday. I asked Claire and Bo because they're going up to the snack stand. I'm like, guys, what do they have up there? You know, I want to know, but I don't want to walk up there. They're like, oh yeah, all kinds of like classic candy, chips, drinks, whatever.
Okay.
I'm like, okay, get me Sour Patch Kids.
Nothing.
They came back with Cheetos and also used all my money for themselves. I'm gonna do my nails. I'm taking y'all with me through my night because I love a good 3 a.m. vlog. Even though I need to go to bed at a reasonable time tonight because I have to wake up early and I got no sleep last night. I've been so tired all day, I literally attempted to take a nap. The thing with me is I cannot take a nap for the life of me, but a good lay down for 15 minutes with a 15-minute timer going, where I'm fully awake and thinking, but I'm like under the pillow, eyes closed. That will rejuvenate me for like a year. So I did that earlier, so I'm down. I'm good to party. I'm ready to rally is what I'm gonna do. Go rally with a pint of ice cream. So here is my setup as of now. I have this stuff here just because once I take the nails, I'm literally gonna like sit it back there. My alcohol prep pads, I have all my polishes, and each nail I have like the colors I need for it, and there's 5 colors. I don't know what order I'm doing, but they're there. I have all my bits, and then literally ignore that. I have pliers. Then I have brushes, files, whatever, and then over here I have the non-fun little nail products like sunscreen, base coat, top coat, blooming gel, primer, dehydrator. None of the fun little color cutesy whatevers. And then on the chair, I have my light here. Ignore this. She went through surgery about 5 minutes ago. And then here is my LED light. And then here I have my e-file, and the reason that this is not on is because the plug in the wall only has 2 spots, so I can only have 2 things plugged in at once. And the first things I need are my file and my gooseneck light, and then after I finish using the file, then I'll switch to the big light or something along those lines. You know what I mean? I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna watch myself some YouTube probably, and then probably take an ice cream break at some point, and I'll probably catch up with y'all then. But here's the before of my nails. Hair is flat, but the nails are done. They look so good. So good. We got orange, green, it's purple, pink, blue. When I did this hand, I swear I had a seizure. Because look, it's supposed to be one large line down the center and then two on the side. Why is there like 4 different lines? And why are none of them centered? But I need a snack, because that's what I do after I do my nails. Ingredient household. So, we have Greek yogurt, but I already had that twice today. So I'm not feeling that, I don't think. We have raw mushrooms, lettuce, pepperoni, taco sauce, pickles. We do have coffee. That's it. Fun fact about us is that we have 3 fridges. We have the classic American outdoor / garage fridge, but then we also have this one downstairs. We got eggs, half and half, beer, sausage, beer, cheese. Oh wait, maybe my mother will let me have strawberry lemon. I can have those. We got no food in this house. Reusable Save the Turtles Visco Girl Straw. I think I have youth group tomorrow, but to be honest, I have no clue. And if I do, I should probably be sleeping already. So that's, I clicked on Ticketmaster. We do. Someone in this group chat said break a leg, like do a good job. And I fully meant, it meant he broke a leg. Brain not here. We do. So I should sleep. Will I? I'll pass. Let me just say, I have missed having almond nails. My last set was coffin, and I regret that so much. Like recently I was like debating because I'm almost out of coffin nails. Like I literally would have like 2 more sets. And I was like, should I buy more? Should I not? No, Gigi, you're never doing anything but an almond again. Maybe a more round, maybe a little more pointy, but never an almond. They're so like, they were shorter than these nails, okay? They were shorter than these, but they felt so in the way. Also, you can't part your hair with them. And that, like, I literally only ever part my hair with my nails. Like, if I don't have nails on, I'm like, how does one part their hair? What is that? So tomorrow I'm gonna have to restraighten it at 7:30 in the morning. Because did I forget to mention my youth group is before church? Okay, let's not kill ourselves quite yet. We can push it off a day. But guys, be so proud of me. We had an optional assignment that could be a grade booster, and I did it and I turned it into that. Very proud. I want to put toothpaste away and I put it in our hair basket. Stand up. Like, behave yourself, child. My sister's right there, but I just came in, turned on every light, all my stuff on her bed, all my nail stuff away, banging stuff around. She's still sleeping. So, we gotta clean because the bedroom is a little messy. I've been seeing all the videos of people be like, oh, I'm type A, like, and then they like say type A things they do. Type B, whatever. Type C apparently is a thing. That has to be me. Because tell me why I will go weeks without cleaning my room, and now I'm like, I cannot go to bed with anything, anywhere. So, we're about to do that. I always forget to like wear hats. This one's from Charlotte, Memorial Day NASCAR fan zone. I want to cut the neck and the bottom off of this and make it like cute because I bought it on accident, fun fact, and I never wear it. And like it was a merch t-shirt, so it's like 45 bucks. So the design is cute. Been doing this new thing on Saturday nights because I like to use Sundays as my sleeping in time, which obviously isn't gonna happen tomorrow. It's called picking out outfit. Not in the morning because on Sunday mornings I like can never decide what I want to wear. Cargo pants. New sweater I got. It's inside out right now, but it's like cut out on the neck here. I've never worn it, tried it on anything. This is an option. Or linen pants with this sweater. I like that one. I think every time I've ever vlogged like a nighttime chill yappy vlog, whatever, I end up in a cowgirl hat. But thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow my Instagram. If you haven't done those things, I think I could diagnose you as crazy. So I would go do that if I were you. And yeah, subscribe. I got lots of fun stuff coming this summer. So hopefully you enjoyed. See you next Thursday at 11 a.m. I literally forgot. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.